Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. I starting my journey for canyoneering, which is part of 1 kilometer zipline. Before start of this video, I like to show you where is the location in the map and how to get there. Yesterday, I was in Oppo Island. 9 o'clock, I was swimming with the turtles in this area. After that, I went to the viewpoint. The view was fantastic. Then I left the Oppo Island 1 o'clock. I reached Dumakati, Maladape Port. There I eat my lunch and breakfast together. After that, I hired a driver. I went to Karasora waterfalls. That was a beautiful waterfalls. Unfortunately, the climate is no good. The weather was very bad. I couldn't visit the waterfalls. So I left the place. I went to Tierra Alta Lighthouse. The landscape was very beautiful. I had a great time over there. The weather was very perfect. All these 3 videos available in my channel right now. Please go and check it out. After that, I went to Dumakati Cebu Port. From there, I took a boat. I went to Cebu Lilon Port. When I reached the Lilon Port, it's almost like 5:30. From there, I took a bus. I went 50 km north. I reached the Kawasan Falls because I want to do canyoneering adventure. There, I stayed in Jopro Canyoneering Adventure. When I was reached there, it was almost like 7:30 p.m. The owner Joe was very kind. He was a very nice person. For the dormitory room, it cost me 600 pesos per night. For the canyoneering, it cost me 1,500 pesos including 1 kilometer zip line. I got a very good discount from him. In my group, totally 8 people, 7 of them Koreans, 1 Indian. Now, we are all traveling in the two-wheeler, almost 7 km in the mountain. Suddenly, the road was only 1 meter wide. There is no fence. It was thrilling. If you fall down, the damage is going to be very big because it got a very big slope on one side. See how we are traveling. If somebody come on opposite side, that is going to be like a little bit tough to cross over. You can see it. Lucky enough, they have a rule. If anybody coming opposite, whoever coming down, they have to give a way because the climbing bike need more strength to climb. So they have to give a way for the climbing bike. That is a good morality. I really like that. The driving itself scary and gave me a wake-up call and chills. I have to tell you, in that place, everyone is a very skilled drivers. They know how to go. Look at my background, how sloped the area behind me. This is the 1 kilometer zip line, mountain to mountain. Now we have to register our name before go to the zip line. Wait there. Just write the name here. Can I see the name? That's the name. Okay. Then we just go out. Let's go. I'm waiting. The zipline tower have 3 levels. In the second level, they're going to help you to gear up for the zipline and prepare for you.
Engineer in the landing area, just do one. Okay?
That is Maria, our tour guide. She is very sportive and full of energy. Keep in mind guys, when you land in the other side, you need to lean backwards. Because of that, your feet will escape from the hitting or damaging from the board. So I am gearing up for the zip line. Everything is done safely and checked properly. I'm ready to go. Lots of kids and families are over here. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I got the side. Now we are at 3rd level. From here the zipline start. That is a 1 kilometer zipline, mountain to mountain. Okay, you are ready? It is really fun to watch people. They're terrified and laugh at the same time. Everybody waiting for their movement to get terrified, at the same time have fun. There was a Korean family, all girls. The mother was very scared, but the kids are having fun. The expression from the mother's face, priceless. She was terrified. All the kids are very sportive and having fun. Really? You will know each other after this. Since it is 4 years before, I don't know why I say this dialogue. I forgot the conversation totally.
Okay. At the end, sir, lay back. Okay, lay back, lay back.
There are the people out here. Everybody very supportive and cheering for me. I'm not going to lie, it was a little bit terrified. It gave me chills at the last moment.
Sit down, sir, sit down. Then legs up, legs up. Two legs up, two legs up.
That's how it is. The first 200 meter, the speed was very great. If you look down, it was terrifying, so I didn't look down. I tried to look at the mountain to mountain only. I don't want to look down. Suddenly in the middle, the speed was reduced very quickly. I felt I can't even reach the end in this current speed. So I was a little bit worried. You can see clearly in my face, there is a long distance to go. The speed was reduced very quickly. So I was thought I can't even make it to the end. If I stuck over here, the day going to be ruined. So a lot of thinking going in my mind. Fortunately, I safely arrived and I made it. I was very happy about it. When you do canyoneering, please you do the 1 kilometer zipline also. I highly recommend it. After that, we continued to walk for the canyoneering about 3 hours. The canyoneering includes jumping, swimming, diving, floating, all the fun activities you can see in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment below and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I see you guys in next video soon. Thank you.